Today, we have an iPhone 15 Pro with a short circuit issue. The phone doesn't power on, so in this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, remove the motherboard from the phone by disconnecting the connectors. Now using a screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motherboard to the phone. Now connect the motherboard to the power supply boot line test cable. Power on the board. The power supply meter shows motherboard is short circuit. Now place the motherboard to the layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. After that, use a lint-free cloth slightly dampened with cleaning solution to wipe the surface carefully. It's still showing a short circuit. Now I will check with Wuxinji to see where the problem is. Now I need to slightly lift the faulty IC using tweezers. Then I need to check it with a multimeter. Yes, now it's perfect. Now apply several solder flux to the bonding pad. Clean the bonding pads with soldering iron. Align the logic board with the signal board. And then turn on the heating platform. Use tweezers to adjust to ensure the precise alignment. Turn off the heating platform. Take down the motherboard. Now install the motherboard for testing. The phone turns on normally. We've successfully resolved the iPhone 15 Pro short circuit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more smart repair solutions and tech tutorials.